second runner-up of the Code Gladiator 2015.
Yeah, so Vishnu, tell us, how does it feel to be the second award? Like, just tell us about your reaction.
I mean, I'm really happy, and I really don't expect to win anything because I'm not in the best condition since I reached late last night, and this today is a totally long duration of coding. So it's really unexpected, and I'm very happy.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
I am from Noida only, and educational background I am from Mainpuri, UP. Yeah.
You studied from where?
BTech I have done from MNIT, Motilal Nehru National Institute of Technology, and the early schooling from Mainpuri, UP.
Okay, so how was your experience with the Techie Code Gladiator 2015?
Yeah, Code Gladiator is an awesome platform. So first of all, since I am from a computer science background, so I really like coding, and this platform gives me everything that I need to do in coding. So it's really good. All the rounds, quarter-final, semi-final and final, they were really awesome. And I won. I still don't realize that I have won, but yeah, it happened.
And how was the problem like?
Problem, you mean efficiency wise or?
Yes.
Challenge, how challenging was the problem? So yeah, there were average problems, there were challenging problems, and there were really challenging problems. So today one problem was like good, another was very challenging. So they have a good mixture.
So this was your first time with Code Gladiator?
Yeah. I think there was Code Gladiator 2014 was there, but I didn't participate in it, so this was my first year.
And what language did you choose this year?
I chose Java.
Okay. And would you like to come again next year?
Yeah, sure. I am coming next year, that's for sure.
And where did you get your inspiration for being a coder? What is the most essential thing to be a coder?
I don't know, I mean, you have to think logically, you know. I know everyone thinks logically, but you know, if you are from a computer science background, then you know most of the algorithms, and then you keep on thinking that, okay, how can I improve those? How can I make, you know, with the problems that are already challenging business problems, how can I solve them with more easier and simpler algorithms? So that is something which encourages you to do lots of coding, and you know, make programs, make algorithms which makes life simpler for the programmers.
Great, congratulations, great evening.
Thank you so much.
मैं राजस्थान से बिलोंग करता हूँ।
आपने कॉलेज कहाँ से कंप्लीट किया है?
NIT जयपुर।
और आज का आपका दिन कैसा रहा कोड ग्लैडिएटर में?
बहुत अच्छा रहा, बहुत अच्छा फील कर रहा हूँ।
तो आपका कोड ग्लैडिएटर में ये पहला साल है?
सॉरी?
आपका ये कोड ग्लैडिएटर में पहला साल है?
पहला साल है मेरा।
आज कौन सी लैंग्वेज आपने चूज करी?
पहले मैंने C में कोड किया, लेकिन बाद में मेरे को लगा कि दूसरे प्रोग्राम बहुत काफ़ी टफ थी, तो मैंने सोचा जावा प्रेफर करनी चाहिए, दूसरी जगह जावा प्रेफर की मैंने।
तो आपकी कंपनी ने आपको भेजा या आपने खुद कोड ग्लैडिएटर में पार्टिसिपेट किया?
अभी मैं कंपनी में काम ही नहीं कर रहा किसी में, तो मैं खुद नहीं ओपन पार्टिसिपेंट करूँगा।
तो आप अगले साल फिर से आना चाहेंगे कोड ग्लैडिएटर में? और आपकी प्रॉब्लम्स कैसे थी आज की? आज कितनी टफ, कितनी ईजी थी?
पहली प्रॉब्लम तो मॉडरेट थी, लेकिन दूसरी प्रॉब्लम काफ़ी टफ थी, काफ़ी मज़ा आया करके।
और आप इस प्राइज मनी से क्या करने वाले हैं?
सॉरी?
आप इस प्राइज मनी से क्या करने वाले हैं?
सॉरी,
आप इस इनाम की रकम से क्या करने वाले हैं?
अभी तो मैं मेरे खुद के लिए भी कुछ एप्लीकेशन बनाने की सोच रहा हूँ, उसमें इन्वेस्ट करूँगा, इसलिए मैंने कंपनी से रिजाइन भी कर दिया था।
ओके, सो कोडर बनने के लिए सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ क्या होती है?
कोडर बनने के लिए सबसे बेसिक कंसेप्ट रहते हैं, जो हर लैंग्वेज के वो बेसिक कंसेप्ट आने चाहिए, फंडामेंटल डाटा एल्गोरिथम आने चाहिए, वो आने चाहिए।
ग्रेट, एंजॉय करिए अपनी इवनिंग। थैंक यू सो मच। हाय हिना।
Hi.
How was your experience with Code Gladiator today?
It was really nice, and getting recognition for one of the things is itself it makes you feel really good. So yeah.
So you won an award for Code Diva. I mean, this is our first award and you won it. So how are you feeling? How is it coding different for men and women? How do you think?
No, personally, I don't think that it's a different feeling to code from being a men or women. But I guess probably the reason why they would have introduced this award would be that there were only 10 females out of 125 finalists. So probably they would have realized that maybe, I don't know, maybe considering the IT ratio, industry ratio, maybe females are less in number, and that's why it's such. So probably they wanted to motivate females for same, and that's why they introduced this new award. And I'm glad they did it because I won it.
Great. So, which coding language did you choose?
I worked out in Java.
And you did your college from?
I did my graduation from Delhi University, and then I did my masters in computer science from CMI, Chennai Mathematical Institute.
So, your was a company participation or open?
Company participation. I work with Stereo, and Stereo participated, so it was a corporate participation.
So, I mean, if you want to be a woman coder, what it's like, your advice to the women coders out there?
I'll just say that the basic thing that's required is your approach, your intellectual understanding of the question, the problem that you need to work on. Language is very important, but still it's something that still can be learned. But intellectual thinking is something that you have to imbibe in yourself, which comes through practice. And yeah, so I'll just say that go on, the field is yours.
And how were the problems today? Were they tough, easy or medium?
One of them was quite easy, I'll say. The second one was quite tough. I could not crack all the 10 test cases, and somehow I couldn't get it still. Maybe time was a factor, but yeah, so second one was quite challenging, and it took me a long to understand what we really need to do. So it was good, and it refreshes your mind, gives you a challenge and a zeal that you really need to, you really need, feel like doing it.
Congratulations once again. Enjoy yourself.
Thanks a lot.
Hi, Victor. Congratulations.
Hi, hello. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
How was your experience with Code Gladiator today?
It's tiring, but it's a wonderful experience. Yeah, very nice.
So you have come all the way from Hong Kong. So what drive you today to be here?
Actually, I'm from Malaysia, but this duration, I'm actually having a business trip in Hong Kong. So I have to make a special arrangement to fly from Hong Kong to Delhi, and then tomorrow I'm flying back to Hong Kong to continue the trip.
Great. So how do you think Code Gladiator as a platform has helped coders? What do you think about this platform and how we can make it international?
The platform is very good. I mean, it encourages more people to pick up coding, either as a hobby or as their profession. So as it is on the internet, I mean it definitely can help internationally to promote more people to take up coding. Yeah.
Is it your first time with a coding contest like this?
Yes, it's my first time, so I'm very happy.
So
I'm very happy to be able to win something in the first time.
What was your takeaway from here? What is your takeaway from here, from Code Gladiator today?
What is my?
What's your takeaway? What do you have learned from Code Gladiator today?
What have I learned? Don't afraid to try anything new. So just try your best. You might never know that you can get something. You can actually win something out of it.
So you have yours is a company participation or an open participation?
Yeah, my company is part of the participant, and I'm from AWPL.
Which language did you code it in?
Java.
And how were the problems like? Were they tough, easy or medium?
Okay, the second question in the final just now, right, is actually really tough. So I'm quite amazed that I'm able to score well.
So would you like to come again next time and win the title?
I mean, definitely. Yes, I would like to come.
Last question, what's your word of advice to coders out there?
Continue to improve yourself and continue coding and enjoy coding.
Great, thank you Victor, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Good evening Mr. Singh.
Good evening.
How was your experience with Code Gladiator today?
It was really wonderful, and company participated in it, indiamart.com. We participated in it. Actually, when we came to know about this event, we understood at that point of time we were conducting every month our own Techathon competitions in-house on a monthly basis, and as soon as we came to know about this event, we immediately understood that this is matching with our theme, and we liked it so much that we initially immediately grabbed the opportunity, and a lot of people participated from our own organization. That particular month we cancelled our own internal contest and converted that contest into this Code Gladiator. Every participant to participate in this Code Gladiators. One of our participants came to the final round also, but that's good. The best participants would win, and I wish that this event should flourish in a big way. Again, we'll participate in the next year in a bigger way.
How would you rate the competition on the scale of 10, sir?
I'll say 9.5.
And like you said, you would like to come again. So what do you think, what are the biggest advantages of having coding contests like these? Does they help in, better retention, better productivity, or higher engagement of workforce?
I believe I have seen a lot of programmers, they want challenges and they love challenges. So by organizing internal techathons, we understood that the hunger of the coders is as many as you provide them the opportunities for the such kind of things. They excel more and they love to work in that environment. So that's why I would love to come back again in a big way into this part.
Thank you so much.
Thanks.
Ankit, right? Hi Ankit, where are you from?
I'm from Chandigarh. I'm working with Cvent in Gurgaon presently. I'm just graduated out of college.
Which college are you from?
Staff Engineering College, Chandigarh.
So how was your experience with Code Gladiator today?
It was an amazing experience. I came today, there were lots of people all hungry for coding, all hungry for the 2 lakh rupees check. It was really good. I felt that the energy was still there. I had my birthday yesterday. I was completely tired. I came down, I felt the energy and I coded, and I actually won the 4th runners-up.
Okay, so which language did you code it in today?
Java.
And how was the problems like? Were they easy, tough, or?
I'll say medium, not very tough, not very easy. The first problem was really very easy. The second one was tough. So overall it balances out, and I'll say it was a medium level coding competition for me at least.
This is your first time with a coding contest like this, right? Have you participated in such contests before in college as well?
In college, yes. On a national level, no. This was the first time I'm actually participating in the national level. In college, I had a lot of them. That were mainly inter-college, not such a big level actually.
What is your biggest learning from Code Gladiator 2015 today?
So one thing, don't give up hope. Even if you think that you do not know the solution of the problem, just keep on trying. Sometime the luck may just help you with the answers and you'll succeed.
And what's your word of advice for coders out there? What is the most essential thing to be a coder?
Just be logical. You don't need to do anything else. Just be logical. You need to write algorithms. Coding is something that will naturally do you then.
Congratulations. Shall we? आप कैमरे में देखिएगा जब मैं आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछूं. Hi Sonu.
Hi, hello.
Where are you from?
I'm from Noida.
And which company do you work for?
Alcoverse Technologies.
So yours was an open participation or company participation?
Open participant.
So how was your experience with Code Gladiator to 2015?
Yeah, it was very good experience. So I met with the best coder in India, and I got opportunity to compete with them, and luckily I won the prize.
So would you like to come again next year?
Definitely.
And which language did you code it in today?
In C#.
Was your problem tough, easy, medium? Over there?
Yeah, one problem was easy and one was tough. So overall it was moderate.
So what are your words of advice for the coders who are looking to build a career in coding?
Yeah, pay attention to the problem and first understand the requirement, and then divide the problem into sub-problems, and then you can make the problem easy to solve.
Congratulations, enjoy yourself.
Thank you.